First, the bowl is prepared. The vacuum tube is attached to the lid, and the other end is connected to the vacuum pump. The tube is then secured to the table using the clamp. The monomer ampule is opened and set aside. The polymer is carefully poured into the bowl. With circular movements, the monomer is then poured in, ensuring powder residue is rinsed from the rim. The empty ampule is then disposed of. The lid is screwed tightly onto the mixing container. A vacuum is created using the pump. Once the gauge needle reaches the green zone, the mixing process begins. The manufacturer's specified mixing time must be followed. The stirring direction is not relevant. After the mixing time has elapsed, the vacuum pump is turned off. The tube is disconnected and the lid is removed. Remaining cement is scraped from the paddle. The cement is then collected using the flexible spatula. Once the correct consistency has been reached, the cement can be processed further. The spatula's integrated curette can be used to form the cement and remove any excess material as needed.